Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Home Depot in June 2026. There are really two big events happening in June over at Home Depot. The first one being their Father's Day sale has now officially kicked off. So we will definitely be covering all of the deals there. And then the other main event is Ryobi Days. This is really the time of the year where you can score the best discounts on the combo kits of Ryobi tools. They have a ton of buy a battery and get a free tool deals. But sit back, relax, and I'll break everything down for you. Of course, as always, I will have links in the description below, so if you see any items that you like and you want to support my channel, just click through that link. You'll find that in the YouTube shopping feature, and if you're watching on TV, there should be a button at the bottom right corner that'll throw up a QR code that you can scan and use those links right there. So with that out of the way, let's get started. All right, so let's start things off with this Ryobi Day sale. So the two biggest deals are these battery starter kits where you can pick a free tool to go along with it. The first one, the cheaper one, is this one for $99. You are going to get one of the 2 amp hour batteries, one of the 4 amp hour batteries, and a charger. And one thing to note this year, I think it was the same last year, these are the high performance versions of these batteries, so they're a little bit more efficient. They should run cooler in your tools and just give you better performance overall. But let's take a look at that free tool list that you can choose from. You've got the small compact workshop blower, a hedge trimmer, the spotlight, the reciprocating saw. Now the thing with these tools is mostly the ones on this cheaper version are going to be your brush tools. If you want any of the brushless tools, that's going to be on the higher end kit, which we'll get to in a minute. But you also have the multi-tool, the sander, the angle grinder, the 7.5-inch fan. I love this fan. My favorite thing that Ryobi does with their fans is they make them hybrid, so you can use them with an extension cord or battery powered. I wish Ego would take a note from that, but I love that the Ryobi ones can do that. You also have the jigsaw, the hand vacuum, the inflator and deflator, or you can choose a 2-pack of their clamp style fans. So biggest bang for your buck here are probably going to be the hedge trimmer at $80 value. You also have the reciprocating saw at a $90 value. That's the highest value item in this free item list. But I really wouldn't pay too much attention to those prices and just get the tool that you're going to use the most, that you've been needing. So if you need any of these, it's a great time to pick it up and get some extra batteries with that. Now, the other trick with these is there is something known as the Home Depot hack. And that is essentially where you buy this starter kit, you buy one of the tools, and then you return one of those items. So either the tool or the battery kit, and then Home Depot is going to prorate that price. So you can actually score a little bit extra savings. So for example, let's say you just wanted some batteries. You pick the batteries, you pick one of the more expensive tools, you return that tool, and the prorated amount will vary obviously based on which tool you chose, but you'll probably be able to get those batteries at around 50, 60 bucks. But kind of a your mileage may vary situation there. Do that at your own risk, but that is the Home Depot hack. All right, and then next up, this is the more expensive kit. This is the $200 kit, but there's a lot of advantages there. You're going to get 3 batteries. These are still the high performance versions of the batteries. You're getting 2 4 amp hour batteries, 1 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. And the tool selection is going to be a lot better. You're going to get a lot of those brushless tools and more expensive tools. So let's take a look at that list. So just looking at value here, you can see they have that impact wrench at $180 value. This is the brushless version, of course. You can also even get an extra 2-pack of batteries. So 5 total batteries for 200 bucks. Another great choice is this brad nailer. That's a $200 value. You also have the stick vacuum at $200, the 510 CFM leaf blower at $150. And then they also have this oscillating fan, which is really nice. This is a $130 value. This is hybrid as well, just like that other fan we talked about. You can use a power cord or battery. I love that about the Ryobi fans. So you are good to go in any situation. That's a 9-inch fan. But yeah, any of this stuff, you get those 3 batteries, a charger, and any of these tools for just 200 bucks. They even have this telescoping power scrubber, which is pretty cool as well. So great deals there. That's your main Ryobi Day deals. But it doesn't end there. There's some more Ryobi deals. First up here is the 3/8-inch drill driver kit. You're getting a battery and charger with this for just 50 bucks. So just a great start to a tool collection here. They also have the high pressure inflator. This is the very compact version. Great for inflating sport balls, pool toys, all that kind of stuff. Has a digital gauge on the top. This is just 30 bucks. They also have this 6-tool combo kit that's going to come with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. And this is $200. You're getting a circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool flashlights, and drill drivers. Just keep in mind that these are, again, the brush tools. These are the cheaper versions of those Ryobi tools in this kit, but still a nice starter set here. Some of the outdoor lawn equipment is on sale. Here's the 40-volt, 20-inch electric lawnmower. This is the self-propelled version. You're getting a 6 amp hour battery and charger with it for $430. They have the USB line of batteries also on sale. I really like this compact detail scrubbing kit. Has some different head attachments on it. You're getting the battery and charging cord, of course, with that for $30. And then pressure washers are also on sale. Here's the new style version. This is your 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer. It stores really nice, neatly, and compactly with that wand that hooks to the handle. And this is $89. And then just one more Ryobi deal here. This is also on their USB lithium line of batteries. But here's a clamp fan 2-pack with 2 batteries and a charging cable for $60. So it'll be great to take with you on these hot summer nights coming up, or maybe attached to a stroller or something like that. But a nice price for the 2-pack here. All right, so now let's move on to some of the Father's Day deals. First up here from DeWalt, they're having a buy one, get one free on their battery system. This is the 9 amp hour starter kit of the Flex Volt batteries that can run 20 volt or 60 volt. And then you can choose a free tool out of this list here. They have the compact router, jigsaw, circular saw. These are all the XR versions of the tools. So really top of the line DeWalt tools here. They have the cutoff tool, the impact driver, hammer drill. So you get the battery, the charger, one of these free tools for $230. Another buy one, get one free deal from DeWalt for $350. You can get this string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit with a 4 amp hour battery and charger, and then pick another free tool out of this list. There's some good ones to choose from. They have that Flex Volt battery. They have the power cleaner, the pruner, mini chainsaw, hedge trimmer, all that stuff is here. So if you like some of the outdoor power tools from DeWalt, this is a great deal. These single socket LED lights are great to add a bunch of light to a garage or shed or attic. They get super bright and have just been improving better and better each year. Here's the 90 watt equivalent, 10,000 lumen super bright LED panel light here for $40. They also have the 8,000 lumen version here for $30. So just a great simple way if you have a single socket light bulb that you usually see in an attic, in a garage. These are just a great way to add a ton of light very easily. Home Depot also has started putting out some of these Husky tools that we normally see during the Black Friday time, but they like to put these out for Father's Day to use as gifts. First one here is the Husky ratcheting screwdriver set. It's a 40-piece set. I like how it has this T-handle setup here. Just a really compact case to this. This is $17.88. They also have the pivoting head screwdriver. I picked this up over Black Friday last year. It's been great. This is $14.88. They have your big mechanics tool set in the drawered case at $99. And then I haven't seen these yet. These are their flip LED slim bar flashlights, very similar to the ones we see over at Harbor Freight under the Icon and Braun brands. But here's your Husky version, has the magnetic base, a bunch of different light modes and dimming settings. And this 800 lumen version is $25. They also have a 1200 lumen version with a UV inspection light for $30. Also from Husky, they have these 46-inch wide rolling tool carts, even in the new tan color, which I love. But these are great working carts. They have the integrated power strip on the side with USB-C on it. And these are on sale for $398. All right, next up, Father's Day is a great time to pick up a new grill. Here's sort of your 4-burner standard grill here from Next Grill, and a nice stainless steel finish at $300. You can also pick up the 4-burner griddle with the hardtop lid for $300 as well. And then they have their Traeger grills still on sale at $389 for the 22-inch version and $499 or $500 for the 34-inch version. If you need to organize your garage or shop, these steel shelving units from Husky are really nice. They're on sale for $200. And then let's finish things up talking about some of the Milwaukee deals going on. First up is this M18 fuel version of their hatchet pruning saw at $200. They also have a buy one, get one free deal going on for $300 on the 18-volt M18 system. You get 2 of their 6 amp hour batteries with a charger. And then you can pick a free tool out of this list. There's some really good ones here. They have even the transfer pump at $250 value. They also have the really popular tower light here. You also have the jigsaw, shop vac, angle grinders, their inflator, even the 500 CFM leaf blower down here. So $300, you get a nice battery starter kit here with a free tool. They also have a cheaper version here. This one's a little bit of a weird kit. It doesn't come with a charger, just comes with 2 of their 5 amp hour batteries. This is $200, and then you could pick a free tool out of this list. So you have like the circular saw, the multi-tool, their compact job site blower, sander, even the radio down here. So that is $200. Milwaukee also has the M18 2-gallon portable wet dry vacuum here for $109. That is $50 off the normal price. And then they have just 5% off any of the tips to go along with that shop vac. And they have pretty much every single air tip here that they sell. So obviously not a huge discount, just 5% off, but anything helps. Milwaukee also has this 5-piece hex bit holder, kind of on a carabiner here. You can hook this to a belt loop, keep all your bits ready to go, and this is $15. This is also the time of year that ticks are everywhere. So if you live in an area that's susceptible to ticks and fleas, use some of this Bug Be Gone lawn insect killer. Does a great job of keeping those in check. It's very easy to apply with a spreader, and this is $10 for a 10-pound bag. And then my last reminder out there to all the parents and grandparents, I love these free kids workshops at Home Depot and Lowe's puts on. The next Home Depot one is going to be this Saturday, June 6th, and it's actually a soccer goalie game to go along with the World Cup. So it looks to be a good one. Make sure you register and enjoy this free activity with your kids. All right, that's it. Those are all the deals. Let me know if I missed out on any. If you found my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.